Welcome to the big show. This is Investing with Confidence. I am your host, Joshua David, and we are happy to have you with us today. I always have my good friend, and he is my great pal, and he is the one and only Mr. Al Connickson. Al, how are you doing today?
You know, a lot of people would say that's a good thing that he's the one and only. I'm doing really good, though. How about you, Josh?
I'm always doing great. It's always great. We got a busy day here at the Academy, a couple classes going on, but you know what? We take some time to talk to our friends right here on WCCOR, our friends, and helping them make better investing decisions. An online trading academy, the sponsor of Investing with Confidence, on their 25th year, teaching people just like you how to trade and invest in the financial markets. We talk about the stock market, options, futures, Forex, and it's all about enhancing or upgrading your lifestyle, right? Mm-hmm. That's what everybody wants to do. Well, how do you have the potential? You might have to do different things. Now, quick market update. Stocks obviously had a nice, stellar week. All-time highs closing again. S&P 500, also the NASDAQ. Dow just a little bit slower. But you know what? We had some high flyers this week. Everybody knows about the cryptocurrency, at least has heard about it. Well, there's a coin called Shiba Inu. And I'll tell you one thing. That coin went up roughly about 1,100% this week. So there's an opportunity that people already missed out on. Tesla, a stock that this month up about 43% on the month. Great opportunity. Well, it might be gone already. Who knows? Oil, that one also soaring this past month, roughly about 11% rate of return on oil this month. Apple, it's almost a broken record, up around 5%, so slowing down a little bit. But Facebook, that great stock that everybody talks about, down 5%. So we had some things went up. We had some things that went down, which all it does is spells opportunity. Al, how do we take opportunities and take advantage of these great markets right now?
Well, it's knowing how to take advantage of the opportunities, what they are, and how do you do that. You know, there were some big moves up, and there were some big moves down this week, too. The market has been up. Overall, it's up. But even after Amazon and Apple came out with disappointing earnings, you know, they really got hit. I think Amazon was down a couple hundred points at one time. Apple was down over 5% at one point in time. But it didn't really impact the market the way that it normally would have. This market wants to go up. There's a lot of money out there, and there's nowhere else to put it but in the market. So what our students are finding, you know, they're looking at trading and investing as a path to a desired financial result. And they're coming into the Online Trading Academy because they accept the fact that a proper financial education basically takes them by the hand and leads them down the appropriate path to get them to that desired result. So, you know, here's a question for you. What do you want your financial future to look like? Not how it might look based on what's going on, but how do you want it to look? And are you on track to achieve that? And if not, why not? And if not, is there a way for you to change that? Well, getting the proper financial education may give you the opportunity to do that. One of the reasons people come in is they have accepted the fact that multiple sources of income are a good thing. And we talk about this all the time, Josh, where the truly successful people out there have multiple sources of income, and that's not multiple jobs. You know, you look at a lot of people are looking at the financial markets to do that. Some people will go out and find another job or start a little company or maybe invest in real estate. But there's a lot of components of the financial world that can provide those additional sources of income. Not just the stock market, you've got bonds, but you've got the futures market, the foreign exchange market, the options market.
Yep, it's just other opportunities that are available to people. It's just you have to understand and learn those skills, but you have to get started. That's the key.
Right. You know, and then ask yourself this. Is there anybody out there that is successful in the financial markets?
I would say probably.
Yeah, and who are the people that are the most successful?
The
banks. The banks. What we call the pros, the smart money. We sometimes refer to them as the elephants. It's the big firms, the hedge funds, people, individual investors like Warren Buffett. Those guys are consistently successful. So wouldn't it be important to know why that is the case? Why are they doing so much better than the retail trader, than the public? And there are a number of reasons for that. And probably the number one reason is that they know how to benefit regardless of what's happening in the market, not just up markets, but down markets and sideways markets. You can do the same thing if you have the right education.
You're right. I mean, that's the thing is Wall Street is always generating returns in the financial markets. So we want to trade like them. And our sponsor, Online Trading Academy, has developed a strategy that's designed to follow the big money, follow the elephants, as Al is talking about. And I was actually reading an article this week, Al. It was in Yahoo Finance. And it was just talking about, the amount of people that are in the market, what they're not. And it says 42% of people that weren't investing in the market yet believe they don't have enough money to invest.
Right.
Well, coming up in the next section, we're going to talk about the different assets that investors like to use that allow less capital based off because you can use leverage. So don't forget to stay tuned for the next section. But Al, we have a lot of listeners right now all across Minneapolis here, or Minnesota, I should say, that want to get started. And they want to make a change because they have to take a chance, make a change, right? So we have investing classes right here in Bloomington. And we do these virtually as well. So, I mean, these are really classes where we've taught thousands. Just like you, are many strategies, and these are designed to teach you to make better investing decisions. So it's a spooky giveaway today. We're going to give away some tickets to this class right here in Bloomington, but also online. So if you want to call 952-814-4410, or you can make it easy. You can text the word invest to the number 484848. When you do that, you're going to receive a link back with a text with a link. That link is otamin.com. That's otaminn.com. Pick a date for this class, whether it's virtual or right here in Bloomington. Al teaches these. I teach these as well. So you also receive the spooky giveaway of the day. It is a financial quick start kit. That'll help you get started right away. There's some topics in there on how to manage risk, navigate these volatile markets, but also a cryptocurrency foundations course just to give you some information on this phenomenon of cryptocurrency. We kicked the show off with Shiba Inu, what that can do. So, Al, coming up next, I want to continue talking about different assets and those assets to use with leverage that have income potential. 952-814-4410. We'll be right back.